when you supposed to, 'cause it keeps me on my toes. It kinda makes me want.
Okay family, in today's video I am refreshing my primary bedroom for summer with a chic black and white color palette with a touch of gold. You all remember my DIY peel and stick black and gold striped wall. I'm building this entire summer look around it. I actually wanted something that feels airy and modern yet still elegant, and you all know black and white is timeless, and the gold accent from the wall add just the right amount of warmth. Welcome back family to the channel, my dazzling decor where luxury is affordable. My utmost gratitude goes to you all, my returning subscribers. You are indeed a wonderful people and a rare gem. And to my new subbies, so excited to have you here to this growing community. My name is Elizabeth and you can call me Liz. So on this channel, we share affordable luxury decor ideas that bring elegance, warmth, and personality to every space without breaking the bank. We also share some step-by-step DIY projects, seasonal home transformation styling tips, and affordable finds that help you create a high-end look on a budget. So if that sparks your interest, then you are in for a treat. Now let's get started, and I thank you all for being here. Okay, so I'm moving out the decor, and we'll go ahead and wipe down the furnitures with this plant-based cleaner, and we will begin to style.
I do it, you do it, we do it all the time. Pushing the buttons until we both lose our mind. Why can't we let ourselves play it safe just for a while? Just for a while. 'Cause baby, I know it, you know it, we know it. Deep inside, we need help with these bad habits and foolish pride. We're so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love, love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do. All of the stupid shit that we do. No, it ain't love, love that makes us do all the stupid shit that we do.
So this time around, I will be starting with the furniture first. So I'm coming in with the decorative boxes from my dazzling decor in Amazon, and I will be placing moss balls on them. I'm adding this vase of hydrangeas and taper candle holders.
Summer is always surprising me, just a bit. It's mid-July, then it's gone, and I haven't moved on. Summer is always confusing me.
The TV area is now done.
But I'm cold, it's getting old. I've said so many times, when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time, I'll be ready for it all. But then suddenly it's fall. Next summertime, when I found myself, I'll be better off.
So let's move on to the nightstands. So I got this fresh magnolia by the house. I have washed it, cleaned it with thoroughly with Clorox wipes. Now let's add on to it.
I'll turn around, I'll dive head first into the deepest end. I'll face all my fears again. Then when winter comes around, I eventually back down. Just waiting for next spring, it's kind of been my thing. I'm waiting. Oh, I'm just waiting. I've said so many times, when summer comes around, I'll be ready for the ride. I'll be ready this time, I'll be ready for it all.
Done with one, moving on with the next vase of florals.
But before I knew it, summer was
I'm coming in now with this adorable wooden storage box from the AtHome Store and this decor object from Ross. I think it was around $5.99.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she was.
Alright, now let's change the curtains. So much in love with those sheer curtains, guys. And all items will be in the description for your interest.
Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but
okay, to the center of attraction. So I'm changing the bedding for crisp white sheets and the lightweight coverlet in a few minutes, starting with a fitted sheet, and we'll follow up with a flat and then the sleeping pillows. So now let's enjoy some music.
go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, always meant to be. Oh, yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh.
I can never repay you for all you are and all you've done for me. I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life, I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall pass, it's yours to have and hold, to mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So feel this place. Feel this place. I am a vessel born of your clay. Lord, feel this place.
I just love the design and frill on the edge of this coverlet. I've had this for years from Bed Bath & Beyond. So beautiful with the design on top of the sheet, on top of the coverlet. Okay, so this is a little trick, a little hack I do, guys. When I want to give the bed some beautiful height and fullness, especially when I do the hotel vibe design style, roll at the foot. So I'm adding a second coverlet underneath, as you see me do. This not only adds volume, but it also gives the bed that plush, elevated look without being too heavy or for the warmer months. It's really simple, guys. A laying trick that makes a big visual impact. Okay, so if you love that high-end rolled bedding effect, try this trick. It works wonders. All right, now that the bedding is layered and rolled for that high-end look, let's style the pillows. So because this is a king size, I'm starting with a 3 26 by 26 decorative pillows in the back, just to create that structure height. Okay, these really help frame the bed and give it a luxurious backdrop. All right, so next I'm layering a 2 24 by 24 pillows. You can mix textures or go monochrome for a clean look. And to finish it off, I'm adding this knot pillow. Designer have it that you use a 12 by 20 pillow, or a 20 by 20, or an 18 by 18 pillow. But I'm just choosing to use this knot pillow, okay? And if you have a queen size bed, you follow the same rule by working the size down. So, for instance, you start with a 224 by 24, followed by 222 by 22, and then you finish it off with an 18 by 18, or you can just do 222 by 24 by 24 pillows and a lumbar pillow. Okay, all right, and they add balance and pulls the whole arrangement together beautifully. The whole idea is to layer from the largest to the smallest while keeping symmetry and softness in mind. Okay, guys. All right, so to complete the look, I always love to sit on the blanket a small vase of flowers, either fresh or fall, for that pop of life. All right, a candle or a decorative object for that relaxing spa-like feel. It's just an easy way to elevate your bed without clutter. Just enough to feel styled yet restful, okay?
And all you've done for me, I couldn't thank you enough. My worship could never measure how I feel. So I'll be an offering at the potter's wheel. I give you my life, I offer my best, a sacrifice. Whatever you ask, morning and night, and every hour that shall some mold and shape. Lord, fill this place. So fill this place.
We are all done. What do you think, guys? So much in love with everything. And I want to thank you all so much for always coming to watch another video. I hope this gave you some fresh ideas to elevate your own space this summer. Remember guys, you don't need to spend a whole lot to create a luxurious look. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I share simple, elegant, budget-friendly decorating ideas every week on here. And also please don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know which part of the bed styling was your favorite, or how you'd like to layer your bedding for that high-end feel. Until next time, family, stay inspired, stay creative, keep making your home dazzling, and don't forget, family, that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all always, and bye-bye.